Hi guys, it's Nikki and welcome to this week's new release video. Happy Thanksgiving to you if you celebrate. This is our Thanksgiving / Black Friday sale weekend. So really quickly, I want to show you guys what we're doing if you do not follow. Also, sorry for the lighting, I'm at mom's, so the lighting is not the best. So for our sale, what we are doing is tonight, which is Thursday, from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we will be doing 50% off of stickers as well as scratch-offs for the first 30 orders. Tomorrow, starting at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time through the 28th, we will be doing 40% off of stickers, tiered freebies, and sampler packs for the first 30 orders. I've got that stuff here. And then on the 29th, we will be doing 20% off of apparel. So that's what we're doing. We've got 3 new collections here. I do have new shirts that will be going up before the apparel sale starts. And then, like I said, I have got the sampler swaps as well as our freebies here as well. So let's get started with kits though. Mom is here. Would she like to say hello? Just with your hands, we're pointed downwards. Anyways, so the first kit that I've got here is called 2022. I did sneak this one last night. I love this. I had gotten so many requests, or messages, I should say, asking if I was going to be doing a New Year's kit. So here it is. All 3 of these collections are gold foil, and we do have a little bit of a format change up here. So you have got your foiling that says New Year. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 2022. Been singing it all day. Cheers to 2022, and then just some really cute clip art. We've got balloons, champagne, a hat, the clock that's about to hit midnight, this little bar cart down here, just super cute. Also, I really love these colors. So that is your full box sheet. Next sheet, I wanted to kind of change up our half boxes. So I've added in some clip art throughout, as well as pulled in some of the, like the patterned backgrounds into some of these. I also did switch out the top row of appointment labels for some flags. So up here, we've got some patterned flags, as well as the one with a bow. And then you guys can just kind of see, I'm not gonna go over every single one, but I just wanted to make them a little bit more fun, add in some clip art, add in some backgrounds, and I've done that throughout all of these kits. So that is your box sheet. Next, I did take out our icons and instead put in a little bit of smaller deco. Speaking of, do I have the deco sheets? I don't, but they are behind me, so I'll grab them in just a second. So you guys can let me know in the comments, do you prefer that? Do you prefer the icons? I thought that it was fun to have a little bit in case you don't use a whole ton of deco. If you do, the deco sheets will also still be available. They will also be available in a drop-down menu with the kit. Up top, we have got 2 rows of the foiled headers as well as a row of patterned headers. You've got your bow checklist, your deco, like I said, and then your washi down at the bottom. And I think that's the only change I made to these kits, other than just changing how I did the boxes a bit. So here we've got your date covers, you've got your tracker. There are 7 bows here, so you can either use this as a checklist or as a weekly tracker. You've got your daily trackers up top, bow washi, and then your bottom washi, which I love how fun this is. Look at this with the pull boxes. Let me just get it. I thought that was just so fun to have the, like the garland. So that was called 2022. Let me grab the deco just really quickly. Okay, so here is your standalone deco sheet. So you've got some things that aren't on there as well as some of the ones that are, but these are a little bit larger than what is in the kit. So that's the deco for 2022. Next, we have got a kit called Love. So I did release one Valentine's kit last week. That one was a reformat. I wanted to do another one, and I still may do one more. I'm not sure. It's kind of up to you guys. You can let me know if you want to see more. Sorry for Chewy. So this one is also gold foil. You've got the tic-tac-toe up top with the X's and the hearts and the O's. Sorry again for Chewy. This bow, you've got the conversation hearts, XOXO, and then these gold lips. I thought this clip art was just so cute, so I wanted to use it. Before I even get started, here's your deco for this kit. Same thing, a little bit larger and some more deco. And then I did make a change to the last kit, one of the layering sheets that you guys will see, which I just realized I don't think I printed off a layering sheet for 2022. I did not, but nothing changed on it. So here is your box sheet for Love. Same thing, I just wanted to throw in a little bit of the clip art as well as the patterns. Next, you've got your headers, you've got your washi, and then your smaller deco here. It's not super tiny or anything, you guys can see. It's pretty comparable in size, but for these sheets, I wanted to just make it a little bit larger because it fills it a bit better. So there is your deco header and washi sheet. Then you've got your bottom washi, your bow washi, and your date number or date headers. So for this, we did the gold hearts. I thought that was so cute. I love this kit as well, but this next one is one of my favorites. But first, the layering sampler. So the 2022 one is the same format as this. You got a ton of boxes, just a bunch of different layering items, and I did the same thing. I wanted to put some patterns into here so that it wasn't all just solid colors. So the last kit, you guys, is called Coffee. Look at this. We had a coffee kit a while back, and I wanted to do another one because I feel like it's such a good anytime kit, but I didn't want to just reformat that one. And I had seen this artwork, and I just knew I had to do this one. So here is the deco sheet for that. You guys can see there's a few different things in here, which we will get to on the layering sheet as well. If you follow me on Instagram, you may have seen the poll I put up earlier. So we've got the foiled spoon here with the latte, this coffee machine. Look at these florals, sweater. Oh no, this printed incorrectly. This should actually be foiled as well. I did not catch that. I will go change my file. But first, coffee. You've got the foiled latte down here, a foiled bag of coffee beans, and then just these really pretty florals that have the coffees in them. I thought this was so pretty. I am going to go ahead and pull out the bottom washi sheet so I can show you guys. This one has the coffee beans all over it, which I love. That was part of our other coffee kit. I loved that bottom washi so much. I wanted to bring that back. And I think with a kit that is simple like this, it just looks so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and put that to the side, this to the side. Here is your box sheet, same thing. I wanted to add the clip art, the backgrounds, and I think that it turned out really pretty. But you guys let me know, do you prefer it to be more plain, or do you like it this way with the clip art and the backgrounds throughout the boxes? Next sheet, you have got your deco here. This deco is a bit larger because there wasn't a ton available, and I wanted to do a ton of the coffee beans because I thought they were just so cute. You've got your headers, your checklist, and your washi. Now onto the layering sheet. So this one is a little bit different. This is something I'm playing around with. Again, let me know in the comments, do you like this or do you prefer the regular? So what I did is, it's a bit difficult to see some of these. I did the boxes as normal on the bottom. I did move them down a bit, but I wanted to do some of these really fun pieces up top. So we've got, for example, I'm trying to do this without actually taking it off of the sheet. So it's kind of cut around a circle here. This next one, same thing, cut around a circle, but has this little foiled piece, and basically just kind of layering in the florals with just some kind of geometric shapes. These down here are my favorite though. If you guys can see, so they've got the florals coming out from behind these larger frames. I personally love it. This one has got the string lights through it. These colors are a bit light. But you guys let me know, do you like this? Do you think this is pretty? I am obsessed, and I think I may actually use this kit this week in my planner because I want to play around with some of these frames. But yeah, let me know. Okay, moving on. So those are our 3 new collections. Also, if you're seeing this video, everything is up on the website if you want to preload your carts. Tomorrow will be the freebie samplers, which is what I'm about to show now, as well as the tiered freebies. Tonight is the 50% off plus the scratch offs. I don't have any scratch offs here right now, but they are just little cards that have an area to scratch, and you can get, I believe it's between 15 to, I think there's a couple of 40% offs in there. There's some $5 offs in there, some $10 offs in there. So just kind of a few different things. So starting on Friday, these are our tiered freebies. So here is your freebie that will be for everyone. This one will also be going into all of the orders placed tonight. So I wanted to do some that could just kind of go with anything. So we've got some flourishes, deco, dividers, and then a frame right there. Your 35 and up freebie is this one right here. You've got some string lights, some more frames, flourishes, boxes, and the foil that comes on these will just be random. And then for your 75 and up freebie, I love doing this one because I think it's such a functional freebie. We do this one a lot. I do this one in our bundles a lot. So you've got all of your icons and then a ton of scripts down at the bottom. So those are our freebies. Again, this one will be for tonight. Anything tiered doesn't start until tomorrow, but the scratch offs are tonight. And if you want any of this info, it is on Instagram. I have a post. Okay, moving on. So starting tomorrow, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the first 30 orders will receive a sampler pack. This one right here, we were supposed to swap freebies, but I'm thinking she accidentally sent me something else. So this is from Aria's Daydream, and I've got a sticker here as well as 2 pockets. Look at how cute these are. They've got the castle. So what I think I'm gonna do with these, because this is all that was sent instead of the freebies that we were supposed to swap. Again, I think she just put it in the wrong envelope. What I'm gonna do is the first 2 orders will receive, the first 2 orders starting tomorrow at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time will receive one of these. I'm gonna do those that way. And then for the rest, you will receive 1 sampler from each of these shops. I am missing, I have it, but I don't have it here, from Planner Penguin. She sent over some freebies as well, so that will be a part of this. We've got these from Pookie Bear Cuties. I have got this from My Newest Addiction. I look at the, oh, they're not clear. I thought they were clear, but aren't those so cute, all of these shapes? Oh, I do have Rekka's. Here it is. Never mind. So here's Planner Penguin right here. I love her little penguin character. I think it's so cute. We have got Fabulously Planned. These are on a really nice vinyl. I love her paper. We've got these from NicoleAlexiaDesigns, and then I've got this one from Mintu Studio, which is foiled and so pretty. So if you are one of the first 30 orders, you will receive a freebie pack that has one of these each. Does that make sense? A bundle. It'll have a bundle of these in it. It might not necessarily look like the one I show. Some of these shops did send a couple of different options for their freebie, but you will receive this bundle if you are one of the first 30, and those do normally go pretty quickly. So if you're interested in those, I would have your cart preloaded. And I think that's it, you guys. I'm pretty sure. So I hope you guys love this week's new releases. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below, or you can shoot me a message on Instagram, the Facebook group, wherever. I will be around. Again, if you celebrate, I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.